In today's extremely competitive retail world, firms must emphasize developing great customer relationships. Understanding customer preferences, buying history, and providing personalized experiences are critical for developing loyalty and increasing repeat sales. Recognizing the importance of client management, Shopify POS provides a complete set of capabilities that allow retailers to efficiently manage and communicate with their customer base. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of customer management in Shopify POS, as well as how it enables shops to build great experiences that keep consumers coming back. Detailed customer profiles. The ability to generate detailed customer profiles is a fundamental benefit of customer management with Shopify POS. Retailers can acquire and preserve relevant customer information such as contact information, purchase history, and preferences. These profiles serve as a single hub of consumer data, allowing merchants to get comprehensive insights into their customers' activities and interests. With a 360-degree picture of each consumer, retailers can personalize interactions and adjust their offerings to specific interests. They are able to anticipate client wants, recommend appropriate products, and provide a more personalized shopping experience. This level of personalization increases consumer engagement, encourages loyalty, and increases customer happiness. Purchase history and order management. The customer management tools of Shopify POS give sellers with a detailed view of each customer's purchase history and order details. Retailers have easy access to information such as prior purchases, order dates, and transaction values. This allows retailers to deliver individualized recommendations, cross-sell or upsell comparable products, and provide superior customer service. The ability to track and handle orders within the customer management system increases operational efficiency. Retailers can check the status of each order, manage delivery, and handle customer inquiries or returns more easily. This improves the order management process and offers a consistent customer experience from purchase to delivery. Personalized offers and marketing. Retailers may take advantage of tailored offers and targeted marketing efforts with customer management in Shopify POS. Retailers can build and send tailored promotions, discounts, or loyalty benefits directly to individual customers by exploiting customer data contained within the system. Personalized offers connect with clients on a deeper level because they feel cherished and understood by the company. Retailers may boost the likelihood of conversion and repeat business by customizing promotions to consumers' unique tastes and purchasing history. Furthermore, tailored marketing initiatives based on customer categories or behavioral data can increase engagement, boost brand loyalty, and optimize marketing spend. CRM integration and customer insights. Shopify POS's customer management capabilities interface seamlessly with customer relationship management systems, allowing shops to use sophisticated insights and analytics. Retailers may integrate client data from numerous touchpoints, including online and offline sales channels, email marketing campaigns, and customer support contacts by integrating with popular CRM systems. This integration helps businesses to acquire a comprehensive perspective of customer behavior and preferences, allowing them to develop more effective marketing tactics and personalized experiences. Retailers may examine customer data, spot trends, and make data-driven decisions to improve their sales and marketing efforts. Additionally, customer insights gathered through CRM integration can be used to guide product development, inventory management, and customer service initiatives. Retailers may anticipate new trends, find customer pain spots, and meet customer requirements proactively. This proactive approach helps firms remain ahead of the competition and establish a loyal consumer base.